Walatsara Tikajabi. My name is Samson. I am a student from Antala in Northeast Madagascar. I have dedicated my whole life to make education my priority, and music and English language are my passions. When I was in the last 3 years of my education, I moved to Sambava, the capital city in my region. I wanted to create an English club there, and I named it the American Talking Club, or ATC. In that new city, in that moment, my desire to help others was born. I saw it as a responsibility to share and teach what I know. Eventually, my volunteer work as an institutor at the Center for Learning and Understanding English, or CLU, in Sambava combined with ATC led me to found the English Association of the Region Sava, or EARS, which connected all English language learning programs in our region, 4 main cities. That was my opportunity to connect and work with all Peace Corps volunteers in our region. My greatest joys were visiting communities in the countryside of Madagascar and also performing talent shows when all English Association members gathered to encourage them to learn English. In 2015, I passed my national exam and I immediately gained employment with the Peace Corps as a language cross-cultural facilitator for the Sava region in Madagascar, teaching the Besamsarka dialect. Due to recent budget cuts for foreign aids in the United States, the Peace Corps in Madagascar could no longer afford to send volunteers to my region. So my contract with them ended 10 months ago. Now I am studying at university in the capital city of Antananarivo, and my parents can support my tuition fees or my expenses. I live and support my studies by myself through teaching English and Malagasy culture to foreign students. But even then, I make around $1,000 a month. Now I have been accepted to join Up With People, a performance program this coming July. I am the only one to represent Madagascar this semester. I cannot wait to share my skills and perform my talent as singer and songwriter to discover new cultures and highlight Madagascar to the world. I hope after my experience in Up With People, I will realize my biggest dream to start an English institute and music school in my hometown. I am so thankful for all generosity of American people so far. The Peace Corps volunteers suggested that I apply, and I have been so grateful for the support of so many of American volunteers I worked with in Madagascar, as well as their friends and family. I have been awarded a $10,000 scholarship and only have to raise about $2,000 more to contribute to the program fees by July 1st. Misota Mialua.